Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Guys, I come with great news today. We are starting UPSC GS Foundation course in Ahmedabad for the first time. The course is very uniquely designed, and in Gujarat you will not find such a uniquely designed course ever. It is an integrated foundation course. Now just give me 2 minutes, we will get there. I will explain you the features as well. This course starts on 1st of October. We have an orientation session on the 1st of October. If you enroll before that, we have early bird offers for you. 1st October enrollment is also good. You are always welcome at the center. So now let us understand what are the main features. First of all, we are doing more than 550 hours of coaching. So let me just run you through a few things. If you are a UPSC aspirant and you want to be on the right direction, there are 4 important components. Okay, first you have to gather knowledge. You can do it by reading books, and you cannot actually understand all the subjects well, then you take some sort of coaching. So here we are doing more than 550 hours of coaching lectures. Will teach you the entire syllabus with great clarity. Second component is you will have to keep on taking tests, be it prelims or mains. Okay, that is how you improve yourself. That is how you learn. You learn by the lectures, by reading, revising, but learning through your tests is a very important pillar of this journey. So yes, this integrated test series is also a part of the foundation course. After this, what will you read? You have read the standard reference books couple of times, but then you need some resource wherein you can quickly revise your syllabus, because just a day before your prelims you would want to revise a lot of things and you cannot read this huge heap of bulky books. So at Sunya IAS we give you the best short notes for prelims and mains, by the way, which are very popular, right? Along with that, very important thing is mentorship and guidance. So at Sunya, mentorship and guidance is our forte. Expert faculties, rank holders, right? These are the kind of people who mentor you. Why do you need a mentor? There are times in an aspirant's journey wherein you are doing all the things correctly, but you're not going in the right direction. You're working very hard. You're trying to work smart also, but somewhere you are drifting apart from your goal. Here is when a mentor comes into picture, guides you through, points out your mistakes and puts you on a corrective path. Along with this, we are also doing weekly tests. We are doing total 80 tests for mains and prelims total, which is a lot. This will have your part length test, your full length test, everything is covered. Also, we will teach you how to write answers. We all have written answers in school and college, but UPSC answer writing is a different ball game altogether. So we will teach you everything. So this is one course, okay, that has all the features. You will not find this combination anywhere. So now your question is, ma'am, how do we enroll? You can call us on 7011 902060. 7011-902060, or this is our address. You can visit us. We are in the center of Ahmedabad. We are on CG Road. We are in middle of the university area wherein your colleges and schools are situated. So don't waste time. As soon as you see this video, if you even have 1% wish to have a stable career, to have good social status, to make your parents feel proud, to take care of your family in the best possible way, then this is the career opportunity for you, and we are here to prepare you for that. So yes, if you even feel like having all these things at all, even 1%, come down, let's sit down, have a mentorship session 1-to-1, and let's chart out a path for your success. Thank you very much guys, hope to see you soon.